All right, what's up, gang? Hope everybody's having a good weekend. It's Sunday here. We got some football going on, so wanted to hop on here. I've got some stock picks for you guys, but y'all know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. I just want everybody to be smart this week. All right, so let's just practice patience and be smart with our trading. So, 4 stock picks for you guys. Let's get into it. SOUN is our first stock pick. SOUN. This is an AI company. It's up 26% on Friday, so it's having a great Friday at $13.59. The 52-week high is $24.98 on this one. The 52-week low is $12.27. So if it has a bad day, if it has a bad Monday, watch out for SOUN because it's up 40% over the past 3 months. It's on fire right now. They had a great Q2. They had great revenue, earnings call. 217% gain year over year, so they are on fire. Watch out for them. I don't know if it'll get down to the $12 range, but might want to keep this one on your radar, take advantage if it does, because it's been having some good days for sure. It's got zero debt, $230 million in cash, so they can make some acquisitions. Plenty of money right there that they can do something with. Profitability by the end of 2025. So watch out for SOUN. The number 2 stock that I have for y'all is PAPL, ticker symbol PAPL, Pineapple Financial. Pineapple Financial. This is a bank. This is a finance company. It's, I believe, a Canadian finance company, but they are based in the US. It's on fire. It's been on fire. Friday especially, up 70% on this one, $4.46. I was in and out of this one. We made some good trades on it. Over the past 3 months, this stock is up 96%. That's why it's number 2. Watch out for PAPL. If you haven't seen this one, know about it, put it on your list. All right, the 52-week high is $22 and the 52-week low is 20 cents. So you can see this stock has been on the move. Earnings is on the 22nd. Watch out for this one because I believe, I'm not a rocket scientist. I don't know everything, and some of these numbers can be off, but they expect to lose $2. So a share, I believe. So look out for this one. If you can catch a dip on this one, it's had bad days and we've got into it, and it's had really good days. Very rewarding, this one. If it goes down, watch out for Pineapple. The number 3 stock that I have for y'all, FNKO. All right, we all know FNKO. They make the little dolls, the collectible dolls. Well, they're going through it right now. They're having a hard time. FNKO is the ticker symbol. Friday, it was down 32%. Down to $2.52 or 50 cents, $2.50 on this one. FNKO, the 52-week high is $14.65, and the 52-week low is $2.22. So it's getting really close. It might have already hit it on Friday. FNKO had a bad earnings call. It was about 4 cents off a share, and it looks like they took a 22% loss in earnings. They are profitable though. It's a profitable company. They just took a loss on earnings because of the tariffs, and we all know what's going on. So watch out for FNKO. It is a toy company. They got the tariffs. They're getting hit with that, but they're still profitable. And the CEO is looking at, I believe, resigning, which I think is hurting the company too, but they're looking at having a permanent solution from what I read. So, and they're looking at strategizing because they do have cash. They've got a lot of cash, I believe. So, plenty of money to do something with there. FNKO, watch out for that one because it's down. It could be up. I think it's going to recover. This could be a long-term play there, right here. And the last one, GoPro, I've had it on my list before. GPRO is the ticker symbol. It had a good Friday. We were in and out of this one as well. Made some good trades. 7% on Friday. It was up green all day. I believe it was green after hours as well. It wasn't much, but it was still stayed green. $1.40. The earnings is tomorrow, y'all. Earnings is tomorrow on this one. So if it's good, which I don't think it's going to be, but if it is good, it could pop, all right? If it's not, it could drop, and that could be an opportunity as well. The earnings is on Monday. Watch out for GoPro. The 52-week high is $2.37, so it's well below that, and the 52-week low is 39 cents. So you can see it's been on the move. It's categorized, I guess, as a meme play in there with the AMCs and GME, but estimated to have an 8-cent loss. It's up 75% the past month and 129% the past 3 months. That's coming from that 39 cents, 79 cents, all the way up to where it's at right now to $1.40. So if it is a bad earnings call, GoPro could drop. Watch out for it. I wouldn't try to catch a falling knife here on any of these, but watch them, put them on your watch list. Could be an opportunity, you know, after it starts to recover. So SOUN, PAPL, I always want to say PayPal, but it's PAPL, Pineapple Financial, SOUN, Pineapple Financial, FNKO, and GoPro, y'all. Those are the ones that's on my list for this week. I hope all of y'all make some money. Be smart with your trades, all right? And do some research, do some due diligence on these companies and the ones that you're interested in. Let me know what stocks you're trading at the bottom in the comments, you guys. And like, comment, subscribe, because it really does help the videos. We'll see you on the next one. Go get that money.